Hold on. Ouch, can you fix her helmet? Neither one of you can see. Bella, swing it!
She can't see.
I know. Push it harder. Swing it harder.
Her helmet's down over her eyes. She can't see.
She can't. Push it back, Belle. Try to sit it back further. She can't.
They got the chin strap behind her neck.
Belle. Wait, can you just put the chin strap around the front so she can see? Hold on.
There you go. That'll help.
There you go. Thank you. I didn't notice that.
Hey, what's it doing? Yeah. Why?
Whoa, go Belle, swing it.
Right. Next to people.